Hello folks, it's Howard here, broker Homes of America Realty, and today I'm going to show you a single family home. Now this is on the resort of Reunion, and it's a 3-bed, 3.5 bath. It was built in 2006. It's in a rental program, and in fact the guests only left yesterday, ready for new ones coming in this afternoon. So just a little window to have a look at it. It's a fully furnished pool home, and on Reunion there's another 8 community pools here. You have the 3 golf courses, the water park, the hotel with the restaurant, so lots going on, and only 10 minutes from Disney. So I'm going to pick you up now and show you around this home, okay? Right, let's take a step back so you can see the front of this. There we are, 2-story with balconies. Walk through the front door after opening it. Right, there we are. This is the formal lounge at the front. There we go. So nice, nice, good furniture, good sitting area, and then through into the kitchen. Okay, it's got good solid worktops, 5-ring flat stove, double sinks, and here in the office, utilities. Right, now all the bedrooms here are upstairs, and so now we got the family room. Okay, so a nook table there for dining, and a bar over there too. And then here, besides me in the mirror, there's the downstairs cloakroom. Now, a quick view outside. Now, the garage is at the rear of this home, so you just take the back street and then park outside like I did. So you have your own private pool here, sitting area. The price of this home is $319,900. So very good for a good price for here. Up the stairs. Now these golf courses here, you have to be an owner in order to be able to play, unless you're invited. So here's the master bedroom. And in fact, through the blinds there, you can see the golf course. I'm not sure, behind those trees there is a big lake. Okay. So there's the closet, 8-foot doors. Wow. And here's the master bathroom. This big garden tub, a shower. And while we're here, we'll take a look at this balcony outside. This is a private road from the 3 gates that they have here, security gates. You just see the lake through there. Right, a little tech desk. If you want to be a tech. Kind of 2 singles, or quite a full single there. Very Mickey. That's a good poster, very appealing. I like the wallpaper. And this has its own ensuite too. Once again done in the Mickey theme. And into the 3rd bedroom. Now that's quite good. They've kept this neutral with just a bit of the Orlando things up there. And that means, you know, if golfers are coming here, then they're not stuck in the Minnie Mouse room. And this has its own bathroom too. Okay. And that concludes the look around this home on Reunion for just under $320. 3 bed, 3.5 baths. Good luck, take care, see you at the next house, folks.
Wow, I really like that, Howard. I thought it was great value, and I loved the style of the sort of, you know, the clapboard sort of New Englandy style houses there. I mean, I thought that was a great little property.
Yeah, and why don't you get a canoe, come across, I'll show it to you.